Hey class, if you're watching this video, you're needing a little bit extra help regrouping those place values. So all we're going to work with today, right now, are our ones and our tens. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's just draw, just count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We drew 19 units. You count those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 there. Well, we already know that in each place value, we can only put one number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can't put 10 or even 19 because we can only have one digit in each place value. So some of these we need to regroup and move over on this side. So let's go ahead and think about that really quickly, right? When we get to 10, we regroup over. Let's go ahead and see if we can group any 10s out of these, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that's 10 right there. So we can go ahead and take those, and instead of saying there are 10 units, we can go ahead and just say, well, that's the same as one rod. So I'm going to go ahead and color that a new picture right there. So that's one rod. Let's do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, there are 9 left there, and that fits our place value rule. Awesome. This is how we regroup. This is how we relate things back and forth. 10 units equal 110. So we could easily just move that over to that side. Let's go ahead and work with some tens and see about making that relationship between tens and then hundreds. If you remember, here's our flat. And on our flat, it is equivalent to 10 rods. Remember? 10 rods. Okay, so let's go ahead and help me make some tens. Count with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 rods there. Well, in reality, it's not just 12. We count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Just like with the units, if we have 10 or more, we can group those into the next place value. We can relate that over, right? Let's go ahead and see if we can count any of these. See if we have more than 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there are 10 right there. So remember, 10 rods make one flat. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a new flat right there to represent that being a flat. Right? So I could have 10 rods and then 2 more, or I have a flat. Let's go ahead and look at that now. So this right here, 9 ones, and then 1 rod. So our numeral, our amount of this is 19. We can use 19 units, or we can use 9 units and 1 rod. They have the same value equivalency. They equal each other. Let's go back to this side. We took these 10 and made a flat with them, and now we have these 2 left over. Let's draw a place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds. Do we have any units on this side? No. How many freestanding rods do we now have? 12 or 2? 2. How many flats do we now have? 1. So our numeral is 120. So for making 120, we can use 12 rods, or we can use 1 flat and 2 rods. The values of these are the same. We're just showing them, representing them in various ways. We can use these for lots of different numbers, but use this to help you on your homework and your independent activities this week.